Okay, so now let's talk about the maintenance infusion. So this one here says to take a 40 milligram vial of Panto, okay, which I have here, and we're gonna reconstitute it a little bit differently. So in the last video with my reconstitution, I took solution from one of these vials. We're not going to do that this time. For Pantoloc specifically, we always take our volume just directly from the mini bag, and that's because we always want an equal amount of 100 mils. So this actually ends up being 10 mils. So if I had used this solution, I would actually be adding an extra 10 mils in here, and then it just really skews our math. Panto is one where the math can be a little bit difficult to figure out. We have to run it at 8 milligrams per hour according to this order, which is 20 mils an hour. So we need an actual just amount of 100 mils. Okay, so how we do that, I'm not necessarily going to go through all of the same checks as the reconstitution video before. If you need a reminder on that, please go back and watch that video. I'm just going to start and sort of walk you through how we would just do the reconstitution a little bit differently. Okay, so I have a 3 ml syringe. Again, I like to use a blunt tip needle. Okay, I need to swab the bag, so this port here. Okay, I need to take 10 mils out of the mini bag. And I'm going to use that solution from the mini bag to further dilute. Okay, I'm simulating, I have a 3 ml syringe. Just know it would be a full 10, okay? The Pantoloc vials are generally a little bit larger. They can handle that 10. The Practi powders that we have here in the lab can't handle the full 10, so I'm just simulating, okay? But I did put a full 10 mils in here to reconstitute. Okay, you're just gonna pull the full dose out, okay? The full 40 milligrams. So once it's all mixed, you're gonna go back in and you're gonna make sure that you aspirate all of the medication out of the vial. Okay, now I'm just gonna put it back into the bag. If this has been open to air for a really long time, please take another alcohol swab and make sure you alcohol that port again. Alcohol swab that port. And then you're just going to put all of that medication back into the bag. Okay, this is gonna go into the sharps container. And then again, now we have a full 100 mils with the full dose of 40 milligrams of Pantoloc in here. Okay, so this one here gives us our rate, which is nice. We don't have to do any math. I'm literally going to run it at 20 mils per hour in the pump, and my volume is going to be 100 mils.